Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, how are you? This is your social study class of summer vacation task week 4. This week we will discuss two topics. Our first topic will be queue making and the second one will be seasons. So standing in a queue for everything is a good habit. Students, we should not cut queues. Queuing is something we all do whether we are waiting for a bus or in the supermarket. We wait in a queue when we want to buy a railway ticket, to enter a building or get on a bus. Students, this was a brief introduction of your first topic, queue making. So I'll start with the definition of queue. A queue is a line of people waiting. When a lot of people wants to do the same thing at the same time, they stand in a line and wait. That is called a queue. At school, during assembly and break time, students formed a queue to maintain discipline. By doing this, no one will be hurt and their time will be saved. So you must form a queue when you are standing in assembly and at break time. So next is, when do people queue? When they make a queue, so in hospital we should. Okay, so in this picture you can see that some of the people, ladies, are standing in a queue and they are in hospital. Why they are in a queue? So and why we should make a queue in a hospital? We should make a queue in a hospital because many patients have to wait long time even to get a small operation in hospital. If people are not in a queue, it create a lot of panic, which is not good for all the patients. So students, when you are in hospital or you are anywhere, you should make a queue. Next picture is of school. Some school boys and girls and boys are standing in a queue and a teacher is there. So they are standing in a queue. Why they are standing here? Queues are something that everybody hates, but it saves our time and keeps us safe from many hurdles. It is very important for us and we should follow it. So these boys are standing in a queue and they are in a class. Then next picture is in banks. In banks, a queue also help to save our precious time because most of the people are in hurry and wants to finish their work. Students, because of making a queue, everyone get its turn quickly. As you can see in this picture, there are people of all age and they are standing in a queue. Then when do people queue? In railway station, people must make a queue. Like every place, queue making is important. For railway station is too. Everyone buys ticket and wants to get their seats. So because of a queue, everybody get it very easily. So our next topic is seasons. That is our week 4 part 2 topic. So we will start our next topic. In every country has its own climate and the season of a country depends on it. Pakistan is a country blessed by all types of seasons. People of this country enjoy all the 4 seasons. Students, every season has its own beauty and gifts. So let's discuss it today. We'll start with definition of season. A season is a subdivision of the year marked by changes in weather. It is one of the 4 periods of the year. It is the time or part of the year during which a specified kind of agriculture work is done. You can see picture of 4 seasons. Our year is divided in 4 seasons. We have 4 seasons. We are blessed that we have 4 seasons. So students, names of season. Do you know names of season? Good. First season is spring, then we have summer, then autumn, and then winter. So spring is the queen of all season. It is also known as season of peace, joy, happiness, colors. It has its own charm, making it different from other seasons. Students, the duration of spring is from February to April. So, spring. Spring is the season after winter and before summer. It is a beautiful time of the year. Flowers bloom and new leaves appear. The weather is cool and pleasant. As you can see in this picture, flowers are everywhere. All are happy. Then we have summer season. Summer is the hottest time of the year. Some places get very hot and dry. In this season, you may enjoy mangoes, watermelon, and many other fruits. You can also enjoy outdoor sports during summers. Students, spring is the students, the summer is the second season in this picture, and days are long in this season. Do you know it is the hottest season? We enjoy mangoes, watermelons, which are special fruits of this season. Duration of this season is from May to September. You can see the summer picture. Then we have autumn. The season between summer and winter is called autumn. Some fruits and crops ripen in the season. Leaves changes its color and fall from trees. After autumn comes winter. The third season is autumn. This season is different from other season. Students, it is also known as the falling season because when it comes, the leaves fall from the trees. As you can see in this picture, so there are some boys and the leaves are falling from the tree and their color is changed from green to brown. Then we have winter season. The coldest time of the year is called winter. The days are short and the weather is chilly. The wind is cold and in some places there is snowfall. People enjoy dried fruits and indoor games in winter. You can see a snowman and two kids are happy, and their dresses are they wear a winter dress. This is a fourth season. This fourth season is winter, and in this picture, students, you can see that it is the coldest season. When it comes, it carries winds. People wear warm clothes and used to take tea and coffee. Students, in this season, days become shorter and the nights become longer. In this season, the mountainous areas of our northern areas of Pakistan is covered with snow. So, student, this week we had two topics. Our first topic was the cue making, and the second topic was seasons. So I hope you have learned something from today's lesson. The summary of this topic was we should follow all the rules which are good for us and saves our time, and these rules also make us disciplined. And the second topic, seasons are always changing and each season has its own beauty. Each season has really pretty weather. The leaves are falling or the snow, all are blessings and have their own beauty and charm. So thank you for today, and Allah Hafiz. Thank you, class.